If you're considering Wave accounting, it's important to understand how it compares to other accounting software before making a decision. In this video, we'll go through 12 things you should know about Wave accounting and how it stacks up against competitors, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your business. Let's get into it. First thing to know is that Wave is free, and that's a huge draw for many small businesses. Unlike QuickBooks or Xero, which have subscription fees, Wave offers core features at no cost. But you should keep in mind that while free, you may have to pay for certain add-ons like payroll or payments, which can quickly add up. Next thing, Wave's user interface is clean and easy to navigate. If you're new to accounting software, you'll appreciate how simple it is to set up and use. However, it lacks the depth of customization that some competitors, like QuickBooks, offer. If you need more complex reporting or customization, you might find Wave a bit limiting. The third thing to consider is that Wave is cloud-based, which means you can access your data anywhere, but it also means you rely on internet connectivity. Unlike desktop software like Sage, Wave's cloud model can be a downside for users with unstable internet connections. The fourth thing, Wave has robust invoicing features. You can create, send, and track invoices with ease, and it integrates with PayPal and credit card payment options. While this is a standout feature for many users, it's worth noting that some competitors, such as FreshBooks, offer more advanced invoicing features like recurring billing or automated payment reminders. The fifth thing to know is about Wave's financial reporting. Wave provides basic financial reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and tax summaries. While it covers the basics, if you need more detailed financial analysis or more than the standard reports, you might find it lacking compared to something like Xero. Sixth, Wave's receipt scanning tool. It lets you upload and categorize receipts easily, but it's not as powerful as the receipt features in paid services like QuickBooks. It's sufficient for small businesses with simple needs, but if you're handling a large number of receipts, you might want to look for more advanced features elsewhere. The seventh thing is Wave's integrations. While it integrates with popular payment services like PayPal and Stripe, it doesn't have as many third-party app integrations as other platforms like QuickBooks or Xero. If you rely on a specific software tool that Wave doesn't support, that could be a deal breaker. Next, Wave allows multiple users to access your account. However, the permissions and access controls are fairly basic. If you need more granular user access, a platform like QuickBooks offers more advanced features. The ninth thing is that Wave doesn't provide customer support over the phone. Instead, they rely on email and live chat. While Wave's support is generally helpful, if you're someone who prefers speaking directly to a representative, this may feel like a limitation compared to competitors that offer phone support. The 10th thing, Wave's payroll services are available, but not free. The payroll feature comes with a monthly fee and is currently only available for businesses in the US or Canada. If you don't need payroll functionality, you can skip this. But if you do, the price might be higher than what you'd pay with other services. The 11th thing is security. Wave offers SSL encryption and data protection. But as with all cloud-based services, there's always a risk when storing sensitive financial data online. Unlike desktop options, Wave does leave your data in the cloud, so make sure you're comfortable with this level of security. Finally, the 12th thing. Wave has mobile apps available for both iOS and Android. These apps are useful for managing your finances on the go, but they are more limited in functionality compared to the desktop version. So, if you need full access, you'll likely still need to use a desktop or laptop. In conclusion, Wave accounting is a great option for freelancers, small businesses, and those looking for a free solution. However, if you need more features, customization, or support, other tools like QuickBooks or Xero might be better suited to your needs. That being said, if you're looking for a comprehensive accounting solution that can scale with your business, we recommend checking out our preferred solution. You can try it for free, and we think you'll love it.